Welcome back, guys. So today let's talk about the main method, right? So over here, as you can see, this is the same program we had from before, no difference. Now this main method right here, main method is required for, uh, for you wanting to execute anything. Okay, so this main method is definitely very, very critical. Without this main method, your program will not work. Don't worry about this other stuff, this packages, classes. Don't worry about all those. Just focus on this specific keyword main. So public static void main. Just for now, know that without this specific line or this specific code right here, your program will not work. You don't necessarily need this, okay? But you do need this main method, okay? With the curly braces. So you do need that. So without this, your program, nothing will work in your program as of now. Again, later on we'll go into deep dive into this, but as of now, just keep in mind that you do need this thing in order for your program to work. Okay. Now, there are few other things that you should understand other than this main method. Okay. So now I just want to put this in as a comment here. This thing right here, okay, this is called brackets. This is called brackets. Okay, I'm just going to put this as a comment here, just / is comment. So that's called brackets. And then if I put in this, okay, now this first one, this thing right here, the brackets, this is on top of, on your keyboard, this is on top of number 9 and 0. Okay, you can see those brackets there. This thing is called square brackets. This key are usually on top of the enter, top of the enter key. Okay, this is called square brackets. Okay. Now, we also have another one that's on top of a square bracket, basically, which are these curly braces, okay? That looks like almost like a 3. This is called curly braces, okay? And then other than this, we also have this sign right here, okay? This is called semicolon, okay? So let me just put this in there. This is called semicolon. So this one word. So these are just few things that you guys should know. Again, usually what will happen whenever you start with something, whatever method or whenever you want to write something, you always will need this curly braces. Everything goes inside the curly braces. So if I click here, right, as you can see, this thing just lit up right there, or like a little square or something. This belongs with this. If I click on this one, this is this, okay? As anything that you see, however many you have opened with curly braces, same number you should have it with ending as well, because they go hand in hand together. This semicolon right here, this is also required to end a statement right here. As you can see, package, my package, you have the semicolon. That basically says that's the end of that, right? So if I want to, again, if I want to do s out, which is the print statement, right? As you can see, it also ends over there. If I say hello world, and let's say I don't have the semicolon, you see, it gives me that little red thing right there. That's an error. If I try to run, and it gives you the X over there as well. If I try to run this thing actually, right? Just select the one that you want. Then here, okay. See right there, it gives you the error exists and etc. If I still proceed with this, it gives you this message. So don't get scared whenever you see this red thing. Just keep in mind right here, just read it out loud so you're going to understand. Exceptions in thread main right? Java lang error, unresolved compilation issue, syntax error, right? Insert this to complete block statement. So you need this to complete. So if I go ahead and I do the semicolon, again, I don't need to put it right there. I can just put it right there. It doesn't, spacing in Java, it doesn't matter. Spacing is irrelevant. I can put 1,000 spaces, it still would work, doesn't really matter, right? So as you can see right there, even though I put it on the next line, it doesn't matter. So if I just for, you know, looking at better, I'll just put it over there. If I hit run again, as you can see, I can do both, right? I can right click, I can do run as, I can also go over here in the play button right there on the top, green play button, that will also work. It's whatever you want. You can also do this, Alt Shift plus X or J, that would also work. Let me just close that. Run, and see, I don't have the error message anymore. So yeah, hope this thing makes sense to you guys. Yeah, we'll just continue on the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Please do remember to subscribe. Thank you.